Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be doing a get ready with me, but it's not just any get ready with me. Trevor is going to be narrating it, so God help us all on how he's going to describe all of these steps and products to you. Fingers crossed that it's somewhat understandable, but we'll see. I can't make any promises to you guys. But before we jump into it, just want to welcome you if you're new. My name is Sarah. I create content on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle on my channel, and I would love it if you would hit that red button down below, subscribe, like this video, leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think about how he narrates my makeup. And a couple quick disclaimers. Right now my camera's broken, so I actually can't see what I'm recording, so I'm hoping it's all in frame, it's all in focus. And also too, I know that my nails look atrocious. I have no excuse, I just didn't do them, so I'm so sorry about that. I promise that I will have it more put together in the next video, but for right now, let's jump into my makeup and Trevor explaining to you guys how I do it.
Hey guys, this is Trevor. I'm going to help out Sarah today and be her voice. First we got up this milk product. I'm going to squirt it in her hand a little bit and rub it on her face. As you can tell, it's pretty see-through and seems pretty gentle and smooth on her skin. Just keep, dabbing it in. Dab, dab, wipe, swipe, whatever you got to call it. Let's talk about that cool Star Wars Darth Vader in the background. Oh, no, we can't because we have e.l.f. product up now. And we're going to take a little bit of there off the top and rub it in. Oh yeah, we're gonna add on top of that smooth coat we just put in. Feels amazing. Make sure the jewelry doesn't cut her face. Just keep swiping it in. Oh, now we got fresh and flawless. Shake it up before you do anything because you don't want it to explode when you open it. And just a little bit on top of the triangle cone of interesting dab approval makeup applier. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep putting spots on my face. Don't mind her, she's not looking at the camera for a reason. While she dabs away at this, let's talk about how awesome that shirt is. Not gonna lie, it's pretty impressive. But yeah, let's go back to her dabbing her eyes and making sure she doesn't blind herself. So it looks like she thoroughly put it in and now has Revolution. So I clearly have no idea what this product is, but what it does look like is Sarah's trying to give herself sideburns. And then 2 little dots on the head, under the chin, even it all out. Okay, so now Sarah's gonna use a sandblaster for her face. Let's pray to God that she doesn't rip it off, because that would be a bad day. You got a circle, circle, circle here, and then a circle, circle, circle there. And let's not forget, you have something on top of your head there, Sarah. Oh, and she got it. So glad she listens to me here. Get that all blended in nice, nice. And obviously, you cannot forget about the chin part. Smooth that out a little bit. So this is now a Tarte bottle with a really cool top. And Sarah's just going to put it under her eye, down her side a little bit. Alright, now it's starting to look like she's being Rafiki from The Lion King with a neutral skin tone color. Oh, we're gonna blend it in, so bye-bye Rafiki. Not gonna lie, it almost makes sense now why it takes Sarah so long to do her makeup, because this is about the 5th layer she's put on her face already. When, yeah, I think 1 would suffice, but it shows how little I know about makeup. So we still got that little stripe up, and she listened to me again, got rid of it, blended it into the skin color. Looks like we now have a powder makeup here. Cool, something new. And once again, we're going to go back to the Rafiki look and blend it in right away. And if we're keeping home at the count, it's number 6 on the layers. So I'm running out of ideas on what to say as far as rubbing stuff on the face and almost getting it in her eye. So now we have come to a really cool shiny box with a small little mirror just in case the 10-foot mirror that Sarah's sitting in front of somehow doesn't work for her. And once again, Sarah's nice enough to brush it all in, making this layer number 6 or 7. So it looks like we have a L'Oreal True Match powder makeup thing. I'm running out of names for these things now, and what's really sad is I have no idea what each and individual one of these things does differently than the other. they all appear like they do the same thing and just add layer upon layer upon layer. But that's why Sarah gets the big bucks and I do not, because clearly I know nothing. So now we have what looks like Ben Nye Powder Luxury. I am not gonna lie, I so thought it said Bill Nye Luxury. So Sarah's gonna rub this in all the way up and around, kind of trying to do a little war paint going on here. And a stripe. I bet she's gonna do the top of the head. Oh, and there she does the top of the head. Kind of have a stripe going there. Oh. And gotta draw on the chin bone there, whatever those things are called. And another stripe down the side. So yeah, she seems like she's about done rubbing stuff into her face now. So we have Norvina purple rectangle box going on here with a variety of colors, which is nice change of pace going on here. And Sarah's going to put this on top of her eyelid because she plans on closing her eyes when talking to people throughout the day. So she wants you to see the color on top of her eyelid. Sarah is now about to choose a different color, and she is going to put it right above her eyelid again, right over the place she just put a different color on. We have to have multiple colors, maybe making one different color. I don't know what we're doing here, but it is definitely very interesting. Oh, we got a third color going on here. Let's see if she does 3 colors on her eyelid, and she does. Wow, so we're going for a trifecta here. All right, for you sitting at home, let's take a quick minute here to look at the technique of her not poking her eye out here. You just don't teach that, all right? That takes years and years of practice, and I am thoroughly impressed. So let's see what she does here next. She is going to take a silver space bottle, put it on top of a brush, and once again on top of her eye. So she's basically saying, screw the last 5 minutes I did putting 3 different colors on top of my eyelid. I'm going to put a solid white stripe now, because what the heck, YOLO. So Sarah's going to be rubbing this whitish color, cream looking stuff on top of her eyelid again. I don't get it, but I guess that's just not for me to get. Alright, so now Sarah's picked a different color. I've lost count, and she's rubbing it in her eye, or I'm sorry, not in her eye, on top of her eye. Once again, to a part of your body that you can only see when your eyes are closed. She is really blending this in nicely. And now she's using a brush instead of her finger. Really got to make sure the details are worked out. It looks like she's going to use every single color in this palette at this point. She keeps pointing to them. I have no clue what the colors are. They're creating a pinkish metallic looking color on top of her eye. Looks like she's going back to some different color. And she's trying to blend it into her skin color now. So yeah, this is looking pretty impressive, I'm not going to lie. The detail is just remarkable here. She keeps going that right to left swipe on the palette there. Not really giving us time to look at exactly what she's trying to do. I really want to rub in the white smudges on her top of her head and her nose at this point. Oh, this is the real detail work. She is definitely going professional level here, not getting it in her eyeball. She's putting on fake eyelashes now. I at least know that, and it's something different. So we got a winner here. So what is Sarah gonna do here with these things? She's gonna pull out her Harry Potter wand, make that cute little smirk, and draw black on her face. She's got to be very careful here not to interrupt the last 25 minutes of 18 different colors on top of her eyelid. So this is detail oriented. Looks like she's going for a very Egyptian pharaoh-esque type of thing. Pretty cool. So now she's drawing it in. We got to even it out to both sides here. We got a little pen now. What are we going to do here? Oh, it looks like we are going to lift up the eyebrows with black. You got to get each individual eyelid strand. Did I say eyebrows earlier? I should have said eyelids. I don't know why I did that. Now we're on the eyebrows. Got to darken them up a little bit. Really highlight those. She does have really nice eyebrows, not gonna lie. Alright, so she still has that smudge on her nose and her forehead. Looks like she's just gonna keep that there. Because, you know, we really got to focus on the eyes. What do we got going on here? And now she's gonna tweezer her eyes out. Or she's just gonna, nope, she's fixing her eyelids. Really got to make them pop. Oh no, it looks like she's actually gluing those fake eyelashes. My mistake this whole time, people. Yeah, to think she really tried to put those on me. Not happening. So now we have a brush again. And she's going to even out the white on her face. Okay, thank God she's been finally listening to me. It just took a little longer. So now she's got a petroleum jelly thing. I have no clue. Okay, we got the triangle sponge of death. And she's putting white on her face again. So she just was able to blend it in, and now she's going back to another layer. Alright, so while she blends that in, oh, nope, we're back to a salmon color powder, it looks like. And she's rubbing it on her face, but it looks like it's not doing anything. We're back to another petroleum jelly item. I'm losing track with how fast she's moving these. Oh, I do see a color difference here. Adds of kind of... I have no idea what this is doing, but she likes it. That's all that matters. And you got to get the nose. Anybody knows how cute her little nose is? It's really adorable. So we're going to inside of the eyelids to the tear ducts. We got to dry those tear ducts out. And right above the right below the eyebrows, you know, I'm just playing catch up here. Make it last. It looks like the bottle. She's got to spray it on her face to glue in everything. Back to another Harry Potter type. Oh, it looks like a pencil. She's got to draw in her lips. Everything's fake. Really got to enhance those features by drawing them. Who needs cosmetic surgery when you can draw lips on your face? So now she has a tube. Looks like a lip gloss. I think I said the word correctly. She'll correct me later. Just gonna dab it in again. I like that word dab, apparently. And she's gonna give that cute little smirk. Shy face. Look away. Look away. Now look at the camera. Yes.
Alright, you guys. Well, I hope that video was at least entertaining for you. Obviously, as of when I'm filming the outro, I have no idea what he's gonna say about me, so hopefully it made some kind of sense. But don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave a comment down below if you guys want to see more videos where Trevor is participating. And I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.